Does keeping your home clean feel like an uphill battle? Well, with the right all-purpose cleaner in your arsenal, this is a battle you can win. MicroGold All Purpose Cleaner is a great one-step cleaning and disinfecting solution that kills 99.9% of bacteria as well as the cold and flu viruses when used as directed. It's ideal for use on hard, non-porous surfaces like sinks, appliances, even walls and floors. To maximize the disinfecting power, the CDC recommends cleaning first, then disinfecting. MicroGold All Purpose Cleaner does both. It's a one-step cleaning and disinfecting solution. Simply apply the product with the hand pump trigger, spraying liberally at about 6 to 8 inches from the surface, making sure the entire area is covered. After the directed time, feel free to wipe away any visible residue with a clean cloth or sponge. Tested and proven by the EPA to kill 99.9% of harmful bacteria as well as the cold and flu viruses. MicroGold All Purpose Cleaner is a great first line of defense.